Hi families, you welcome back to my beautiful channel. This is your girl Doxis once again. So today we are going to be making product label, which of course we've done it before on this channel, and the only difference between this video and that one is that this is going to be in a colored form, and this also has some images on it. I also printed this on a printing press, like a shop. Actually, I did not do this at home. I designed it and then I sent it to a printing shop for them to print it in a colored form for me, and then also make it waterproof, okay, water resistant. So the only difference between this video and the old one is that for the old video I printed it all in black and white, and I did it at home. I use a laser printer to do that, and then I use A4 sheet to do that, okay. But for this video I am going to use the A3 size paper, okay. The A3 size, the A3 is bigger than the A4 sheet, okay. That's the only difference. And then also this is in a colored form. So to understand this video better, because I'm not going to talk much about this already, how do I put this? Already I did talk or explained a lot about how to use these very apps, how to go about all the website that you will need to change your centimeters to pixel sizes and stuff. I also showed these sites that you can visit to download PNG pictures and stuff, or pictures with transparent background. I also showed you what again, the apps that you can use, the apps that I'm using, okay. And I told you in that old video you cannot find this app on App Store, okay, only on Android, okay. Play Store, you can only find this on Play Store. So that's the only difference between this and then the old video. So to understand this video better, all you need to do is to pause this video, go back to the old one, which I will be putting on the screen. Watch that video to the end and you will understand everything that we are doing in this new one. In order not to get confused with this video, please watch that old one and understand everything that I said in that video first, so that you can come back to watch this, and then you are good to go. You can design your own labels at home without really struggling. You can do it in your own style, and then you can send it to a printing shop for them to print it for you. So after I was done with it, after designing everything, I went to the printing shop, and then I told the guy that this is the measurement that I use for my label, okay. I used 8:15 centimeters, okay. 8 centimeters height and then 15 centimeters width, okay. So I calculated the 8 centimeters into pixel, and then I calculated the 15 centimeters also into pixel, because before you can use these apps, that is what you need to do. You need to transfer all the measurement or dimension into pixel sizes before you can put them in here. But when you're working, because you're going to be working with centimeters and then pixel as well, when it comes to the paper size, you would have to calculate it in your mind to know in centimeters, to know the pieces, the number of label that would go into one sheet, okay. That's why you have to calculate it into centimeters. You have to calculate centimeters and then later change it into pixel to benefit you on the apps that I'm using currently, the Pixel Lab or something like that, okay. So that is what you need to do. After designing it, I went to the printing shop. I told the guy that, hey, this is the measurement for my label. I used the A3 sized, and then my labels are 8 centimeters to 15 centimeters width. So if he places it on the computer, it will fit like his size, okay, the A3 size on the computer. And he was okay with it. He printed it, and then later on he brought me, or I went for it actually. So with this, you don't have to struggle doing your product labels. You can sit at home, design your own thing the way you want. You can add what you want to add to it. You can do it in your own way, your own style, rather than sending it to these graphic designers, these people to design this for you. They will take huge amount of money from you. At the end of the day, how much are you getting from the product that you are selling for product cost to be that much for you, for product label, okay, to cost you that much? Okay, so if you can do this kind of things, it will really help you out a lot. Right, so that is all for now. As I said, please watch the old video to the end and you will understand this new one better. I'm only showing you how to do this in a colored form. So if you are a subscriber and you understand, or you've watched that video before and you understand this whole process better, how to design product label on your phone, if you understand it better, then you won't struggle with this one. The only difference is putting in the colors, putting in the images, changing the blacks to white, the written changing the black writtens to colored form and stuff. That's the only thing that you're going to be doing. Okay, that's why I said you need to watch the old video, because it's about 40 minutes or so. Really talked a lot in that video, so you can watch it to the end and understand this better. All right, so let me leave you here. God bless you all. I love you, and bye bye. Continue watching the video to the end, and please make sure to subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.